Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. In this video, I'm be going over the real vacation lifestyle and a update. We are live now, okay? And I did get paid for referring my first customer. So here's all the stats here. My personal volume, and then group volume here, and then my organizational rank. I'm currently an ambassador right now. And let's see, this is my back office. They have the travel portal now open. And so we'll go to the visual tree right now. Let it load. So, and then go to my 3x9 force metrics. So as you can see, I am getting spillover as well too. And at the end of the month, I should get paid for that. But let me go ahead and show you my payment proof here. One moment, let me go ahead and log in. It's loading right now. So I did get paid for the fast start bonus. As you can see right here. So I got on yesterday actually. I got paid out $150 for the fast start bonus for the member that I got in so far, and it's gonna be more to come. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how I got my first sale. Okay, and it's pretty easy and cheap. So all you have to do is just go over here to a site called Hercules. And I do recommend upgrading to a lifetime gold member. That way you can send out daily email blasts. But for this one, what I did was a little strategy that I've been using. So I'll go to solo ad specials. Okay, so wait for that to load up. And then the first thing you want to do is go here, do a one-time solo ad for $20. Okay, and that is cheap compared to other sites like Udemy. And then the second thing you want to do is go down here to guaranteed paid traffic, and you want to do an eye blast. Okay, so those are the two main strategies that I use for Hercules, and that's the way I got that sale. I just used Hercules. I didn't use any other um, traffic sources or sites or anything, and that's my go-to going into the new year, and of course also YouTube as well. Now, if you are ready to join, go ahead and click the link below. Thank you for viewing my channel.